we're gonna put in a submembrane depressurization system here at a house in Westminster, South Carolina. I wanna show you how that's done today. So as we get started on this project, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna install drainage matting on the entire footprint of the home. So all across the floor of the crawl space, we're installing drainage matting. The purpose of the drainage matting is to protect the floor liner from ground penetrations and debris. So we're installing a 20 mil fiber reinforced floor liner on the floor of the crawl space, but we want to protect that. We want that to have the most longevity so that this system is running for many years to come. It's the end of day one, and we made a good bit of progress. We got all the dimple mat in, we got the drainage mat in. You can see we've started to hang the wall liner, and I put in the trunk line in the back. You can see the vent pipe back there with a couple different suction points, and that goes to a fan that I put in the attic, and it vents out the roof. This is the radon system in the garage.